Instagram story Remention new update. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, if somebody has added you or mentioned you on their story, simply it will be notified on your DM section. So tap on DM section and just tap on the profile. Now as you tap on your profile, here you can see there has been a story that has mentioned you. So simply what you need to do is tap on add to your story. Now as you tap on add to your story, you'll be able to select on which sort of way you would want to add the story or reshare the story. So just tap on the screen and here you can see this is how you can remend or add the story, remention or reshare the story, and then just tap on your story and you'll be able to reshare the Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.